That's gross. Gross. Gross big mess. Look at that mess. Look at that mess on you. God. Great big mess. Yeah, gross. 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 Oranges in your hair. Oranges on your face. Great big mess. And on the floor. Everywhere. Big mess everywhere.
Mess.
Yeah, mess. Don't mess and make any more mess.
Yeah.
You even have it on your eyelids. Yeah. You got it everywhere. It's gross. Did it beep?
Yeah.
It did, huh? No, we're not going to do the ear beeps. Eli's in school. Grandpa's at work. Grandpa, that's right. Grandpa. You're signing. Uncle Eli. Say Uncle Eli. Uncle Eli.
Mommy?
No movie. You singing? Camera. Which you're not going to touch with your sticky little fingers. Your dirty, sticky little grimy fingers. That's your head. Mess. Mess. Say, made a mess, Grandma. Made a big mess, Grandma. Made a big gross mess. Grandpa's in the basement. Eli's at school. Grandpa's at work. Grandpa's at work, that's right. Eli's at school. Is he coming home? Later. Oh no, you're too messy. Not right in that right now. Messy baby face. Yeah. You made a mess. Grandpa's home. Grandpa's home.